Good morning.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Oh no!
Hey, Stinky!
Help me! Help me!
Here I go!
We're in trouble now.
Whee!
Come on, join us.
I got an idea!
Okay.
Come on! Here we go!
We're in trouble now.
Okay, guy.
Let's go! Come on! Zip zip! Whee! Here I go!
Hooray! Question mark? Huh?
Hello.
Nice.
Come on! Step it up!
We're going to kill some kids today. Looking for the chump clubby ones.
Hooray! Hey, what happened? Bror, niemand boeit!
Come on! Step it up! Get the...
Hello, everyone. My name's Mark.
Come on! Join us!
Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, Stinky!
Yummy. Okay. Yahoo!
Bye.
Okay. Yummy.
Hey, Stinky!
Nice.
I am ready to put on a show!
Amazing.
Oh, wow.
Oh no! Here I go!
Oh, yes.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet.
Bye. Have a great time.
Good morning. Wow! Congratulations! Oh no.
Oh, hello.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Oh no!
Good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Help me!
We're in trouble now. Oh, yes.
Here I go.
Okay, let's go!
Going to count some kids today. I'm looking for the chump puppy ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time!
Wow! Congratulations!
Hello, cutie pie. Hey, what happened? Hooray! Question mark?
Let's go. Come on, zip zip.
Nice, nice.
We're in trouble now.
Come on, step it up!
Ta-da!
Get good.
Good job.
Okay, let's go!
Congratulations!
I got an idea.
Oh, yes!
Thanks, Pally!
Hey, hey, hey.
Too easy! Piece of cake!
Here I go. I am ready to put on a show.
Too easy!
Okay, guy. Oh, yes.
Sing the potato Pynamid!
Bye.
Here we go!
Wow! Congratulations!
Nice, nice.
Doo-doo-doo.
Bye, have a great time!
Good morning! Wow! Congratulations! Hello! Hello!
I am ready to put on a show.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! Oh
are you still?
Okay. Wow. Oh, yes. Good job.
Here we go!
Bye-bye. Okay.
Wow! Amazing!
Hey, hey, hey!
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Good job!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Okay.
Here I go!
Going to kill the kids today, looking for the chump puppy ones. Going to find some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye-bye.
Okay, let's go! Bye, have a great time!
Good morning. We're in trouble now.
Here I
Wow! Congratulations!
Oh, wow!
Amazing! Dori 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 dori.
Hey, what happened?
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Oh no. Hello.
My God, are you still talking? Oh, wow!
Hello. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
I am ready to put on a show.
Dibby dibby dib para para po. Pa para 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 pa pi. Okay. Good job.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Here we go!
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities.
Mario's gonna do something illegal.
Bye!
Okay. No.
Bye-bye.
We're in trouble now.
Wow! Amazing!
Oh yes.
Okay, let's go!
Going to kill some kids today, looking for the chump puppy ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time!
Good morning. Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, what happened?
I am ready to put on a show.
Hello. 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 We're in trouble now. Oh no. Hey! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Hey, hey, hey! My God, are you still talking?
Na 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 na. Oh no.
Okay, let's go!
Oh, yes!
Here we go!
Going to kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make.
Bye, have a great time!
Are you alright?
Good job!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye.
Here I go!
Okay. Good job.
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities.
Bye bye!
Bye.
Okay! Here we go!
Bye-bye.
Okay, let's go!
おいしく料理してやるぜ
Bye, have a great time!